Okay, we're back with part 2 of this lesson 4 for Math 10, Foundations in Pre-Cal 10. And this is saying that two lines in a plane, which means on a flat surface, they can either be at an angle, they can be parallel and distinct, or they can be parallel and form a straight line. Now this is just one little thing on here, is that a line actually by definition goes forever. So if I have a line here, like if I had, oh, this is a silly question. If I had like this is CD and this is BA, and these are in line, they're parallel but they're not distinct, then because this is just a segment and this line actually continues forever, and it continues forever, and it continues forever. Those are all in the same line. Yeah, this is a badly worded piece of notes, but I'm not going to worry about that. We're just going to look at this. If there's a point in common, right, which in this case there's point Q in common, and the slopes are the same for the two segments, then it's a straight line, because remember, the slope you can measure anywhere on the line, and it's going to be the same for the entire line if we're talking about straight lines. Okay, so it says prove that the points A, B, and C are collinear. So we need to find the slopes between some of them. So I'm going to just put this as my x, and this is my y, and this is an x, and this is a y, and this is an x, and this is a y. And let's find the slope from A to B. So I'm going to make this my point 1 and this my point 2. So it's going to be -3 minus 6. Those are my y values. And my x values is 5 minus 2. So I get -9/3, which is -3. And then I'm going to get my slope from BC. And so again, it's my y's minus my x's. So it's going to be 6 minus 33 over 2 minus -7. Because remember, this first minus belongs to the equation, and that second minus belongs to the 7 there. So 6 minus 33 is 27, and this is now 2 plus 7 is 9. Sorry, that's minus 27 over 9, and that equals -3. So my slopes are equal. But I'm not finished the question, okay? It's not enough to just write that and then leave the marker to figure out, so that's very interesting. Why do I care? You need to write something out that tells you tells me the significance of that. So since MAB, the slope from A to B, equals the slope from B to C, points A, B, and C are collinear. Okay, oops, I didn't mean to cross that out. I was trying to put a box around it. Okay, so you need this statement. Okay, and that is going to be a common theme in this unit, that you have to not just do the work to show it, you have to state why that shows what you're saying it shows. All right? Okay, last example in today's lesson. We want to find the value of y if point D is somewhere on AC. So for this one, I'm definitely going to come over here and I'm going to set up my grid, or my table. I don't know. Point C is at -733, and point D is at -4, and some y, I do not know what it is. Okay, these are my x values. These are my y values. This is point 1 and this is point 2. All right, and then I have my slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, and then I'm going to put some values in here. I know that my slope is -3 because that's what it was up above. So -3 equals y2 is just y. I don't know what it is right now, but I'm putting a y in for it for now. Minus 33, because that's my y1, over x2, which is -4, minus -7. So then I have negative 3 equals y minus 33 over negative 4 plus 7 is 3. And then I'm going to multiply this side by 3, and I'm going to multiply this side by 3. So I have, this goes up here, I have negative 9 equals y minus 33. And I'm going to add 33 to that side, and I'm going to add 33 to that side, and the 33's cancel out over there. And I get 24 equals y. So there's my answer, y equals 24. So that was just an algebra, it was a new equation for us, but the algebra skills that we've learned before. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. Have fun. See you in class. Bye.